Welcome Farron's Quiz Answer Lock YouTube channel. Hello, quiz lovers, welcome. Today we have an exciting challenge. Test your knowledge of Santa and Christmas quiz options A, B, C, and D. Let's get started. What is Santa Claus known for? A. Delivering gifts to children. B. Cooking Christmas dinner. C. Decorating trees. D. Writing letters. Correct answer, A. Delivering gifts to children. Santa Claus is famously recognized for bringing gifts to children around the world on Christmas Eve, embodying the spirit of giving and joy during the holiday season. Which reindeer is known for having a red nose? A. Dasher. B. Dancer. C. Rudolph. D. Blitzen. Correct answer, C. Rudolph. Rudolph is the most famous reindeer, known for his glowing red nose that guides Santa's sleigh through foggy weather. What do people traditionally hang on their doors during Christmas? A. Wreaths. B. Lights. C. Stockings. D. Ornaments. Correct answer, A. Wreaths. Wreaths are a common decoration during Christmas, symbolizing welcome and festivity as they adorn many doors throughout the season. Where does Santa Claus live? A. North Pole. B. South Pole. C. Mount Everest. D. Amazon rainforest. Correct answer, A. North Pole. Santa Claus is said to reside at the North Pole, where he operates his workshop with elves who help prepare toys for Christmas. What is the main beverage associated with Christmas? A. Eggnog. B. Coffee. C. Tea. D. Lemonade. Correct answer, A. Eggnog. Eggnog is a traditional holiday drink made with milk, cream, sugar, and eggs, often spiced with nutmeg and served during festive gatherings. What is the name of the period leading up to Christmas? A. Advent. B. Lent. C. Epiphany. D. Pentecost. Correct answer, A. Advent. Advent is the season of preparation for Christmas, lasting 4 weeks, during which many people reflect on the meaning of the holiday and anticipate the celebration of Christ's birth. Which popular Christmas song begins with Jingle Bells? A. Silent Night. B. Jingle Bells. C. Deck the Halls. D. O Holy Night. Correct answer, B. Jingle Bells. Jingle Bells is a classic Christmas song that celebrates the joy and excitement of riding through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh, often sung during holiday festivities. What do children traditionally leave out for Santa on Christmas Eve? Cookies and milk. B. Fruit and nuts. C. Cake and tea. D. Sandwiches and soda. Correct answer, cookies and milk. It is a common tradition for children to leave cookies and milk for Santa Claus on Christmas Eve as a gesture of gratitude for his gift-giving. What is the name of the famous snowman in Christmas lore? A. Frosty. B. Jack. C. Chili. D. Snowy. Correct answer, A. Frosty. Frosty the Snowman is a beloved character from a popular Christmas song and animated special, known for coming to life with the help of a magical hat. Which country is credited with starting the tradition of putting up a Christmas tree? A. Germany. B. France. C. Italy. D. England. Correct answer, A. Germany. The tradition of decorating Christmas trees originated in Germany in the 16th century, where families would bring evergreen trees into their homes to celebrate the holiday. What color is Santa's suit traditionally? A. Blue. B. Green. C. Red. D. Yellow. Correct answer, C. Red. Santa Claus is traditionally depicted wearing a red suit with white fur trim, symbolizing warmth and festivity during the Christmas season. Which holiday figure is known for saying ho, ho, ho? A. The Grinch. B. Santa Claus. C. Frosty the Snowman. D. Ebenezer Scrooge. Correct answer, B. Santa Claus. Santa Claus is famous for his hearty laugh, often expressed as ho, 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 which adds to his jolly persona during Christmas celebrations. What do people traditionally hang on their Christmas trees? A. Lights and ornaments. B. Candles only. C. Flowers only. D. Fruits only. Correct answer, I. Lights and ornaments. It is customary to decorate Christmas trees with lights and ornaments, creating a festive atmosphere in homes during the holiday season. In which city is the famous Rockefeller Center Christmas tree located? A. Chicago. B. New York City. C. Los Angeles. D. Boston. Correct answer, B. New York City. The iconic Rockefeller Center Christmas tree in New York City is a major holiday attraction, known for its grandeur and elaborate lighting during the festive season. What do we call the day after Christmas? A. New Year's Day. B. Boxing Day. C. Thanksgiving. D. Epiphany. Correct answer, B. Boxing Day. Boxing Day, celebrated on December 26th in several countries, originated as a day to give gifts to those in need and has evolved into a day for shopping and family gatherings. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe Quiz Answer Lock YouTube channel.